Bibela Hamla. Yeah, it's Simon Umblai alongside Weed and Dub concerning some laws passed in certain countries. Apparently now in France, if you have marijuana in your blood system, you can lose points on your driving license and even go to jail, leaving your loved ones a week and a wail. So the sword has been thrown down at my feet. So in the heart of the dragon, I got to put it in deep, deep, deep. Yes, we're living in times that are politically right for you to lose your house and car in 12 months. Things you work hard for over 25 years. Spiritually encouraged. Not a law of righteousness. It is the devil at work and his latest request. To put peaceful people in pure distress. So on behalf of peaceful people, I make my peaceful protest in the north, south, east and west. Spiritually encouraged for politically right. Husbands and wives and leave children crying at night. I would suggest they retract that. What do you think? What do you think? And you, what's your point of view? I need a response from you. This law is not a law of righteousness. It is the devil at work and his latest request to put peaceful people in pure distress. So open your eyes and you will see them laws is not for you and me who want to live good in the community in any country.